Hi guys, welcome to CarFlix. Today I'm going to be showing you how to diagnose and fix a fan module on a Peugeot RCZ or a Peugeot 308. So without further ado, let's crack on with that video. So with this fault, it won't show anything on the dashboard, but what it will do is every so often it'll come on the fan, but it will only come on full speed. And that's what it'll do, and it'll do that approximately every 60 seconds. So you're probably thinking, where is this fan module? Well, obviously your fan sits in between here, so the only way to get to it is to take the whole front bumper off, which I've done a separate video on. So just click on the link and then that'll show you how to get the front bumper off, and then we'll crack on with changing this fan module. And that's your bumper off. Once your bumper's off, your fan control unit is just there, and it looks like there's a cover holding it on, if you can see that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pinch it off, and then that should reveal the module. Yeah, and that's your cover off straight away, quite easy. And then that's your module just there. But I think the biggest problem we're going to have is getting a screwdriver in there, because it looks like there's two, maybe one torque bolt there. So I'll try and get a screwdriver in there. Hopefully we'll have to take all this off to get to it. Right, so I'm going to get the connector out of the way to get a screw in there. So this top one just lifts your finger, and then that should pull out. And then there's one at the bottom as well. Get a better view from under here. Put your hand up and then just pop that off. There we go, two connectors. Now it looks to me like there's one there, so I'm going to try and squeeze it in there and see if we can get into it. Right, so it's a T27, and you can just about get in a 1/4 inch perfectly like that, and then just undo it. Once you've got that bolt out, it's now a case of just wiggling it out. I'm trying to get her out because she's out now. There's got to be a way of getting this out somehow. There you go, straight out the bottom.
A great success!
And there is the piece that goes faulty, and it looks like it's that's your part number. But it looks like to me that gets a lot of wet in there. You can see it's all gone green, and I think that's why it's failed. So obviously fitting is the reverse. Watch my other video to get the bumper back on, and after I fitted this, the fault went away. Obviously if you go to Peugeot, it's going to cost you about £100, but when I got it off Amazon, it was very, very reasonable, and I'll put the link in the description below. As always, thanks ever so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help. Anyway, see you on the next one.